Welcome to the Sucking Penis Show.
It's Christian on the beat.
Bruce Wayne comes with a dead family. You have a little mermaid. Well, no, John Wayne comes with a pistol. You get shot with a dip, spin your mouth.
Julius comes with a knife in your back. Hey guys, hope you guys enjoyed the little promo I put together for Tark's little bitch-ass company called Chop Chop that he runs out of Instagram. He does meal preps with beef, chicken, shrimp. They're really good. And also, that video took way too fucking long to edit, so please hit him up for some meals. He'll do them really quick. Yeah, enjoy the rest of the vlog. Actually, no, I don't have a little head. Those are just really tight on me.
Are they tight on you?
And every glasses I've ever worn are tight on me because I have a big ass fucking head.
Laughs but wants to cry.
I'm really sad. I have a big ass fucking head. Alright, so how we're gonna season the turkey today is using Sweet Baby Ray's original barbecue sauce. And if you didn't know this, I don't know if you know this, this is actually made... Okay, I was gonna say the really fucked up.
Is this something about slaves?
No, you know,
Yeah, but I swear, this barbecue sauce is actually made from slave penis. That's why it's so good.
I'm gonna try that joke again. Oh no, I'm not gonna
Just fucking, no, you don't have to post it. What were you gonna say?
No, I was just straight up gonna say the N-word hard R. Okay. I need to stir my pasta again. BRB.
I wish you could see yourself from my view. The little double takes that you make are hilarious.
Do you know that this water's fucking hot?
Put your face in it. Stop, Marco.
For those of you who didn't know, Princess is our other roommate who shall remain unnamed. She's not here, but she doesn't watch these videos either, so I don't know why I'm hiding her name. But I'm respecting her privacy.
Kisses the barbecue sauce? Stop, man, babe.
46 stories.
46 stories within the last 3 hours.
That means like every 5 minutes.
Yeah, he's posting.
He's posting a story.
Nigga.
I love how he like posted that he got permanently banned for saying the N-word on League of Legends.
Fuck Evan.
Wait, so does he say it or he just types it in the
Types
chat?
it. He types it.
So he types the word. This is full, okay?
There you go, yeah.
Videos of fucking...
I did it.
It's your turn.
Shit, yeah. Shit. You can't do it when it's already open.
Get a new one. Oh my god. It's all gone.
You gotta finish it now.
It's all gone. The big ass hole.
Alright, Lord Jesus, Savior, alcohol.
What the fuck is going
Fuck no.
Fuck 12. Did you see that fucking Pit Wolfhard like meme? Where he's like, the deep fried one? He's like, I'm dating 11 because fuck 12.
You want to get off your phone? You're still
I'm
driving.
trying to show you something.
Paula, do our lives mean nothing to you?
I'm
She's like, no.
They don't mean anything to me, but to you?
strangest thing I ever did was thought you gave a fuck about me.